Hello students. So let's begin with a new chapter, chapter number 4, the skeletal and muscular systems. So in this chapter we will see the skeletal system and the muscular system. So our skeletal system is made up of bones and the muscular system is made up of muscles. First we will see the skeletal system. The skeletal system is also known as skeleton. So this is the skeleton. Is the framework of bones inside our body. Students, you might have observed if you touch your hand, your legs, your head, your chest, you feel something hard, isn't it? That hard material is the bones. So these bones, they form a framework in our body called as skeleton, and together they make up the skeletal system. So these are what? These are the bones in our body. Next is function of skeleton. Why we need the skeletal system in our body? So there are various functions that are performed by the skeleton. So let's see. The first one, it supports the body and helps to keep its shape. The skeletal system, it helps to form a framework which gives shape and support to our body. The skeletal system, it gives support to various organs of our body, and without skeletal system our body will fall loose, isn't it? So this is the framework. Because of this our body is supported with this, with the help of skeletal system, and if we don't have the skeletal system we won't be able to stand, we will fall, isn't it? Second, it protects the body's soft organs like the brain, the lungs and the heart. So skeletal system, it protects the vital organs of our body such as the heart. So our heart and the lungs, they are protected with the help of a rib cage. Can you see the outline border? This is the skeletal part, and inside this we have the heart and the lungs. Here also this is our brain, and outside it is the skull. So our brain is also protected with the help of a skeletal system.